And today we have some more goodies from the United States, thanks to Katrina Lynn and her husband Carl. Let's have a look, see what we've got. TJ Fridays, jalapeno poppers, Cheez-Its, Lucky Charms, Reese's Puffs, Whoppers. I'm interested to try them. This I'm going to love, and unicorn poop. Let's get started. Johnsonville Hickory Smoked Bacon Jerky. Looks really interesting. Fully cooked slices of real bacon, 26 grams. Oh well, here goes, let's try these. It is bits of real bacon, this. That's really good, really is good now. And these are not going to last me long. Well, that's getting a 10 out of 10 from me, definitely. You don't get a lot in the bag, do you? Delicious. So, what do we try next? It's going to be Cheez-Its. Let's try them. So, Cheez-Its. Made with 100% real cheese. It says so on the bag. 100% real cheese. Well, I wasn't expecting them to be like that. Okay. Nice and crispy. They are really interesting. They're like little, I don't know, crackers with a nice mild cheesy flavour and salty goodness. I don't think they'll last very long in this house. That is getting a 9 out of 10. Yes, what do we try next? Oh dear. Whoppers. Oh, it's going to be unicorn poop, isn't it? Let's go ahead and try. There we go. Unicorn poop. Artificially flavoured. Let's have a taste. Oh. Okay. This is marshmallow. American marshmallow. Feels marshmallowy. Me playing around with unicorn poo on the YouTube. Let's have a taste. Oh, well, I wasn't expecting that. It's really quite chewy actually. Yep, Katrina and Carl are right. There is definitely a difference between American marshmallow and ours. Got a nice flavour though, odd texture. And when you chew it, it's like the air squirts out and it becomes like a bit rubbery. Yeah, I'm sorry, that's just a 7. Like the flavour though, they'll get eaten. What next? Ah, these. Now people have told me these are like, are Maltesers. And other people told me they are definitely not. Go ahead and have a look. The original. Well, they look a bit like Maltesers. Well, pop one in, see what it's like. Nah. Nothing like Maltesers then. Hang on. Let's cut one in half. It's like, the scent is very dense. They've got a nice flavour, I'll give them that. And the chocolate doesn't seem to melt. Well, it's not melting on your fingers or anything. It doesn't melt in your mouth either. Yeah, I'm surprised. I thought they were, well, no matter what I thought, but definitely not. Yeah, good flavour. 7 out of 10, definitely. These I'm going to look forward to. Jalapeno poppers. These boys here are going to have to wait. Because I'm a bit sugared out. So, I'm going to try under these. Oh, wow. Now, that is really good. I really like them. They've got something similar. I think they're called What's It? I'll have to check. That was nice. It's got a nice little touch of heat to it as well. It's cornmeal. That is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Delicious, delicious. Woohoo! I could eat them all day. And after eating nearly half the bag, and it was ridiculously short that time. Cheez-Its have been upgraded to 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
So, thank you Katrina and Carl, that was delicious, all interesting flavours, and thanks again. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.